Alright, what up, homies? So, sorry, this is like my renters page. We need to let everybody know in the gym or in a certain group that something is going to happen. For example, we're going to be closed on Monday. So, that's how we're going to do it. We're going to go to SMS Blast, site of the Flex. I went to engage. I don't know if you noticed that, but you just kind of have to type, you just have to hit engage to get to where I was, where it says SMF Blast. And then from here, I'm going to hit groups, and then you'll see I want to message everybody that's a customer, and I just want to let them know friendly reminder, no class on Monday, and then that'll be the 27th because of Memorial Day. Monday, May 27th. In honor of Memorial Day. Enjoy your time off. So we just sent that to 75 people.